let's look at this question. In triangle ABC, median AD is perpendicular to median BD. Find AD if BC is equal to 6 and AC is equal to 8. If BC is equal to 6 and AD is a median, this will be 3. If AC is equal to 8, this is the median, this will be 4. This is 2A, this is A, this is 2B, this is B, because the medians bisect each other or divide each other in the ratio 2:1. Finally, we need this length, which is nothing but 4A square plus 4B square. We did a similar question previously like this. Let's work. 4A square plus B square is equal to 9. And 4B square plus A square is equal to 16, or we get 5A square plus B square is equal to 25, and A square plus B square is equal to 5, or 4 times of this will be 20. This is equal to 20. So this length here will be under 20 or 2 root 5. I am surprised this question is given as theta, because 2 root 5, how do I write that down? I